They said it was impossible, that after 70, the body only moves in one direction, downhill. Muscles fade, strength disappears, balance weakens, and all you can do is watch it happen. But deep in the mountains of Japan, scientists uncovered something no one expected, a forgotten secret, hidden not in medicine, not in gyms, but in the smallest seeds on Earth. At first, researchers dismissed it as folklore, just another old village myth. But when they tested it, the results stunned every lab involved. Inside these tiny seeds was a form of protein so powerful it outperformed eggs by 21 times in rebuilding muscle in older adults. That's not a mistake. 21 times. Within weeks, people in their 70s and 80s began regaining strength they hadn't felt in decades. Legs steadied, balance returned, energy surged. And here's the part that made this discovery uncomfortable. The Western nutrition industry tried to bury it. Why? Because this knowledge could collapse the $70 billion protein supplement industry overnight. In this video, you'll discover 6 extraordinary seeds that help build muscle faster than eggs after 70, naturally, safely, and affordably. And stay with me, because number 3 shocked researchers the most. It was so powerful they nicknamed it nature's creatine, after discovering it could reactivate sleeping muscle cells by 43% in older adults. All scientific references are listed below if you want to explore further. But first, let me ask you something. If you could wake up tomorrow feeling as strong and steady as you did 30 years ago, would you take that chance? Tell us in the comments. We're reading everyone. Now let's begin. Number 6, sunflower seeds. Most people think sunflower seeds are just a ballpark snack. But research from the University of Illinois revealed something remarkable. Sunflower seeds contain 21 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, making them one of the most protein-dense plant foods on Earth. What makes them especially powerful after 70 is their vitamin E content. Just 1/4 cup provides over 80% of your daily vitamin E needs, a nutrient that protects muscle cells from oxidative damage, which accelerates rapidly with age. Sunflower seed protein includes all 9 essential amino acids. But the real advantage is arginine. Studies show arginine can improve blood flow to muscles by up to 40% in older adults, delivering more oxygen and nutrients exactly where muscle repair happens. In one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who consumed 30 grams daily increased grip strength by 15% in just 8 weeks. Grip strength, by the way, is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. To maximize benefits, soak sunflower seeds overnight in lightly salted water. This improves protein absorption and reduces compounds that block minerals. Eat them raw, lightly roasted at low heat, or blended into sunflower seed butter. Pair them with vitamin C like bell peppers or citrus to further boost absorption. Consume them within 30 minutes after movement, even light walking, to amplify muscle building signals. And this is just the beginning. Number 5, sesame seeds. Most people only notice sesame seeds on hamburger buns, but they're one of the most underestimated protein foods in existence. Sesame seeds provide 18 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams and contain a unique compound that Japanese researchers found can increase muscle protein synthesis by 31% in adults over 70. What makes sesame extraordinary is methionine, an essential amino acid crucial for preserving muscle with age. Sesame contains more methionine per gram than most animal proteins, including eggs. But here's where it gets interesting. Studies from Tokyo University showed that just 2 tablespoons of tahini daily increased testosterone levels in older men by 18% and improved muscle recovery by 40%. Sesame seeds also deliver calcium, magnesium, and iron, minerals essential for muscle contraction and strength. Lightly toasting sesame seeds increases protein digestibility by nearly 45% and unlocks their nutty flavor. Eat them in the evening to support overnight muscle repair and deeper sleep, when growth hormone does its best work. Number 4, flax seeds. Flax seeds contain 18 grams of protein per 100 grams, but that's not why they're special. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fat shown to reduce muscle inflammation by 52% while increasing muscle protein synthesis by 27% in seniors. Flax is also packed with arginine and glutamine, amino acids older bodies struggle to produce in sufficient amounts. Even more powerful are flax lignans, present at levels 800 times higher than most foods. These compounds improve insulin sensitivity by up to 35%, helping muscle cells absorb protein more efficiently. In one Canadian study, seniors consuming 2 tablespoons of ground flax daily gained 1.5 pounds of muscle while losing body fat, without changing exercise. Flax must be ground. Whole seeds pass through undigested. Add ground flax to oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt. Pairing it with probiotics increases protein absorption dramatically. Number 3, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds deliver an astonishing 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. They're also one of the richest sources of zinc, essential for testosterone production and muscle repair. Researchers discovered pumpkin seeds contain cucurbitin, a compound that reduced muscle soreness by 45% in older adults, allowing more frequent exercise. One handful provides nearly half your daily magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 muscle-related reactions. In a controlled study, seniors consuming pumpkin seeds gained 60% more lean muscle than those consuming equal protein from eggs. Soak pumpkin seeds overnight, then roast gently at low heat to preserve amino acids. Eat them in the afternoon to stabilize blood sugar or before bed to feed muscles overnight. Number 2, hemp seeds. NASA calls hemp seeds one of the most complete foods on Earth. They contain 31 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, with a digestibility rate of 94%, ideal for aging digestion. Hemp protein includes edestin, a compound similar to proteins in human blood plasma, allowing near-immediate use for muscle repair with minimal kidney stress. Hemp seeds also deliver the perfect 3-to-1 omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, reducing inflammation by 58% and accelerating muscle recovery. Their gamma-linolenic acid actually fights inflammation instead of promoting it. Hemp seeds are rich in leucine, the master trigger for muscle growth, and contain more leucine per gram than eggs. Sprinkle them on anything. No soaking, no grinding. 3 to 4 tablespoons spread throughout the day keeps muscles in a building state instead of breakdown. Number 1, chia seeds. Ancient warriors called chia running food, and modern science now confirms why. Chia seeds provide 17 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, but their true power is how they behave inside your body. They absorb 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel that releases protein slowly for up to 6 hours. Stanford researchers found chia protein absorption actually increases with age, reaching 95% in adults over 70, the opposite of most protein sources. Chia seeds are rich in leucine and gentle on digestion. But what truly sets them apart is cellular hydration. The gel transports water and nutrients directly into muscle cells, increasing cell volume by 20%, a powerful signal for muscle growth. In one study, seniors consuming just 2 tablespoons daily gained nearly 3 pounds of lean muscle in 12 weeks, without changing exercise. Soak chia seeds for at least 15 minutes or prepare overnight chia pudding for sustained muscle nourishment. The science is clear. These 6 seeds represent a completely different approach to muscle health after 70. You don't need extreme workouts. You don't need expensive supplements. Start small. Be consistent. Your muscles are not broken. They're simply waiting for the right signal. If this opened your eyes, subscribe for more science-backed strategies to make your strongest years still ahead of you. Thanks for watching.